Okay guys, welcome to this new and exciting episode. I think my lighting is a bit down here. Let me correct the lighting. Okay, so as a matter of fact, ever since I started using this concept of price action, I think my trading is actually improved, and I'm here to share with you guys what I'm actually going to do here. So as you can actually see that this is the V100, like this is the V101S on a daily time frame, right? And today we're actually going to use our daily time frame as our directional bias time frame. Remember, we always use the H4, right? But today we are using the D1. You can actually use any time frame as your directional bias, but on this one I really want to catch a really huge move. So let me do this. So I first mark out my swing points as usual. You know that is what we always do, right? So I'm marking out my swing points here. I want to marking out these swing points. Okay, so marking out these swing points enables you to count the levels correctly and do some of the things correctly, right? So okay, so you can actually see that I'm on the daily time frame, and these swing points are of much better value since they are on a bigger time frame. So you can actually see that this bottom part here is our P formation low, right? And from this move, okay, let me use this arrow. So from this point up to here, you can actually see that this was a level 1. Then we had this consolidation here, right? So it was a level 1 consolidation. Then we had the level 2 push up to there. Then this whole consolidation. Then right now we're currently on our P formation, which is the level 3, right? So on the D1, I'm actually done, right? Let me delete all selected and close this one. Okay, it's actually an indicator that I use to detect those patterns. So I'm actually going to draw my channel. You can actually see that price from this point up to there, price was actually in a channel, right? So let me draw a channel. I want to show you something important, right? This is simple price action that I use, guys, and it has actually elevated my results, right? You can actually check all my previous episodes. I always do this, right? So you can actually see that right now price is in a channel and we are on like our big formation high, right, which is our level 3. So I'm anticipating price to pull back a bit, then break this, then come to this, then create a W or create a pattern to go down. We'll definitely see from that point onwards. But as for me, I would definitely sell up to this point because the price is actually going to go there. I don't know when it is actually going to go there. I might need to move to my H4 here. Okay guys, so this is my H4 here and this is our channel. So on my H4, this 4 point here is my level 3, right? You can actually see that we had our first M here, then we had this point here, then price actually moved here. So I think right now price is actually on an EMA 50, right? Let me put my VTMM template, right? So price is around this EMA 50 zone, so it is likely to come to this untested support here, right? So here's what I'm anticipating here, right? So I'm anticipating price to come to this point here, this untested support. So I'll go to my H1 to find my clear entries, right? So this is actually something like a good sell here. I think at this point it is actually sellable considering that you have a bigger equity. But as for me, I'm actually going to sell this one. I will definitely shift onto my M59.5 to get those sales. So let me use my indicators to see if what I'm talking about is quite correct. So remember, we use the shiver supply and demand indicator here. So you can actually see that there is untested support here. So price is likely to come back to here, then go up there. As for me, I'll definitely sell here. Let me use some other indicators to see what I'm talking about here. So let me waste out my channel. I want to see if I was drawing an accurate channel right there. So you can actually see that price is definitely in this channel, and price is actually touched the middle part of this channel here, and a sell is very clear up to this untested support point here. If price goes up from here, then it goes up. Remember, we are not here to chase the market. If it takes us out, then that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button, comment, like, and share.